So 21, Darian, 21, that's how many apps I wrote last week. There, how about that? That's the first thing that popped into my head. More apps, more bonus, right? And of the 21 apps, 20 of them issued. Remember, AP's great, IP's better. AP means you got somebody to say yes. IP means that you got paid. Way better to get paid than to get a yes. Yeses are intoxicating. Deposits are better. I tell my clients we aren't promised to see the end of today. True, absolutely. I had a guy die 6 hours after I wrote his policy. I mention that all the time when people are saying they're going to think about it. It's like, yeah, well, I know of a handful of people that I've delivered benefits to, death benefits to their family, where I know the family is very appreciative that they weren't thinking about it. Life is going to continue to happen. While you're thinking about it, life is happening. Okay. So unless you know when you're going to die, and how horrible would that be? There is no waiting, right? As a matter of fact, I've gotten to the point now where somebody's like, well, you know, I'm going to think about it. It's like blinking my eyes. I say, nope. It's the first thing that comes out of my mouth. It's like, well, you know what, Andy? I think you've given us a lot to think about, but you know what? We'll give you a call. And that's them taking control of my meeting. Oh, no, no, no. It's like, nope, nope, nope. It's like, what do you mean? Nope. And then I go right back on to script. It's like, we know it's in your budget. What we don't know is if you qualify. And if they do, it's an asset, put it in the bank. I answer my phone. Somebody will see my smiling face looking up at your beneficiary at the time of your death. There is no waiting. Grab your ID and your banking info. I'll get set up and I open my laptop. It's those objections that don't even penetrate, right? I'm just pushing right through that objection to the close. And how I transition from like presenting options to the close is I say, while I get set up here, why don't you grab your ID and banking info? And I reach for my bag because I've only been looking at the lead up until then. I reach for my bag and I open my laptop. There's no confusion. I'm there to write business. They know it. And then it's typically, oh, are we doing this now? It's like, yep. Oh, well, I wasn't ready for today. It's like, well, you do have $89 in the bank, right? We just went over that. Well, yeah. Oh, well, I mean, will it start today? If they take you. And you hope that they do, because that's going to add $15, $20, $50, $100,000 to your estate at the time of your death. This goes to your beneficiary. It's a contract. Okay. That's what we do. How do you handle those leads that you call and they just say not interested and they hang up? Okay, so that's not really a contact. If you say, hey, Echo, this is Brad here in Seattle, just getting back to you. I'm not interested, click. That's not a contact. I would not, you're not in a dialogue. If Echo says, oh yeah, well, I've already got it taken care of. Oh, okay. Well, like most people I talk to, I'm assuming you filled out multiple leads to get the best options available to you. I'm an independent agent. I'm not captive. I work with 16 A-rated companies. If I can't put you in a better spot in 2 minutes, I'll be out of your hair, I promise. So are you available at 1 o'clock or 2? I can squeeze you in. I see about 10 people a day. So you have to always maintain control on the phone and in the home. You lose control, you got no shot. Okay, so when somebody is giving you an objection, they're taking control. Take it right back. Acknowledge it and then take it back. Okay, it doesn't really matter what they say. I don't have money. I already got it. I'm too busy. I don't want it. I didn't turn that in. It's like perfect. They could say, hey, Brad, please die a fiery, horrible death. It'd be like perfect. So the reason for my call was, it's like, it doesn't even penetrate me, right? I just go right back on to script because that's their job. When they're on the phone or in the home, their job is to put up a fight because they're shoppers. You know, they're not irresponsible. They're just not swiping their credit card to anyone that walks through the room, right? So you want to separate yourself. You want to be intelligent, knowledgeable, come across as such, empathetic, put them first, not you, and be assumptive. You're not a quoting machine, all right? You're there to actually set appointments and write business.